So, as it says, Roger Marshall requested a walk round of my Shear. He wants to actually try and build one of these. So he wants a few dimensions and things. So here we go. Let's have a quick look. Right, where do we start? Okay, length. From one end to the other, it's from there, obviously, to there. It's 14¼ inches long. And from top to bottom, there to there, it's 11½. Now, I bought this second hand for a tenner because it had been in a fire and I had to muck about with it a bit. The plate is 3/4 inch thick, the main body. That arm is 3/8. Now I think this bit's going to be quite tricky, the offset. It's 1 7/8 inches, the offset. I don't think that's going to be too critical. The angle at the bottom is 1¾ by 1¾ by 1/4. The blade, you can see, I've had to shim it out quite a bit, but there is facility for that. That's what those 1/2 inch nuts and then 5/16 adjusters. You can see it's had to be welded there because I'm guessing they had to split it to get the offset right. That main pin that holds the blade on is well, I think they call it a shoulder bolt. It's 1 inch diameter, goes down to a 1/2 inch thread. Bottom blade, well, both the blades are 1/2 inch thick. The bottom one is 8 inches long. As you can see underneath it, there's a bit of bar that it rests on, which I had to shim because the blades have been sharpened so many times they didn't touch, so I've had to shim that up. Those brackets at the side are 5/16 thick, you can see there, and obviously the handle goes on the top there. Again, you can see there how far out that's been shimmed, that blade, to get it to work right. Whether that was something to do with the heat from the fire, I don't know, but it works a treat now. And see, that comes down nicely, full length. You get the full cut. And I think all but the 2 main bolts are 1/2 inch bolts. The other 2, as I said, one is inch shoulder bolt, the other one's 3/4, but both going down to 1/2 inch. This thing I don't actually use. I think it's to hold the material down, and it's adjustable for different thicknesses, but as I say, I don't really use it. So that's about it. But if you are interested in any of my tools that I use, check the description because I've got some Amazon pages where you can go and buy the stuff that I use if you're really interested. But there you go. I hope that's helped you out, Roger, and let's hope that you'll put up a video or at least send me some pictures of how you get on.